Hello, good morning and most welcome on my YouTube channel Math Mentor. So today I am going to start the next MCQs of the topic applications of definite integration. In previous video lecture we completed first 30 MCQs of this topic. It means we have to start right now from the MCQ number 31. So this topic applications of definite integration is the most simplest topic of the syllabus MST CET. Okay, if you want to download this worksheet, try to check the description and click the blue link of the PDF of this topic, that is applications of definite integration. Okay, so let's start from the MCQ number 31. So what is MCQ number 31? The area bounded by the parabola y is equal to 2x minus x square. So MCQ number 31. So check this MCQ. The question is the parabola y is equal to 2x minus x square and x-axis. So add x-axis, therefore y is equal to 0. So this implies if y is equal to 0, so this gives 2x minus x square is equal to 0. X common, 2 minus x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 are the ordinates. So therefore area from integration from 0 to 2, 2x minus x square dx. Integration of 2x is 2x square by 2. Integration of x square is x cube by 3 from 0 to 2. So 2 square is 4. 4 minus 2 cube is 8. 8 by 3 minus 0. So this is 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. 4 by 3 is the area in square units. Okay, so check the answer of MCQ number 31, that is C option. Okay, it's very simple. So consider y is equal to 0 because we have to find the area about x-axis. So this gives two values, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, that are the lower limit and upper limit of this curve, the graph of this curve. Okay. Now here the 32, the area bounded by the parabola. Again one more example on the same 32, on the same parabola. So here parabola y is equal to 4x minus x square minus 3. X-axis, so y is equal to 0. So y is equal to, this gives 4x minus x square. Y is equal to 0, this gives 4x minus x square minus 3 is equal to 0. X square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Factors x minus 1, x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 1, x is equal to 3. So required area A is equal to from 1 to 3. So this is 4x minus x square minus 3 dx. So most important, find out the limits of the function. So this is a 4x square by 2, x cube by 3, 3x, 1 to 3. These 2 and these 2 cancel, 2x square. 3 square 9, 9 to the 8, 9 to the 18. 3 square, 3 cube 27, 27 by 3 is 9, minus 9. 3 3s are 9. Lower limit 2 into 1 2, minus 1 by 3, minus 3. So 18 minus 18 is 0. 0 minus 1 minus 1 by 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 by 3. Both positive. 3 plus 1. So this is also 4 by 3. So area in square units. So what is the answer? 4 by 3 square units. So option is what? B. Okay, these two examples are very similar. Both are have equation of the parabola and we have to find the ordinates, that is we call the limits of the function, means the limits of the curve, graph of this curve. Okay, so find out the integration by using this simple process. 31, 32 completed. We'll take now next. Okay, so let's see the MCQ number 33. The area bounded by the curve sin 2x plus cos 2x. So curve is what? Sin 2x plus cos 2x. This is MCQ number 33. Okay, so sin 2x plus cos 2x, x axis. So x is 0 to pi by 4. So x is 0 to pi by 4. It means the first quadrant. In first quadrant, sin is also positive and cos is also positive, never negative. Sin 2x, cos 2x, both are positive. So here required area, integration from 0 to pi by 4, sin 2x plus cos 2x, sin 2x plus cos 2x. Integration of sin 2x is minus cos 2x by 2. Integration of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2 from 0 to pi by 4. So ये 2x है, ये pi by 4 है, that becomes pi by 2, cos 90 is 0 by 2, sin 90 is 1. Now lower limit, cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. So 1 is the answer in square units. Okay. So what is answer of 33? 33 is A. Got it? So 1 square unit. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it's 1 square unit. So now 34. The area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to number 34. Y is equal to 3x plus 1 and y is equal to 2x plus 1. 3x plus 1 and 2x plus 1 and x is equal to 4 and the line next is x is equal to 4. So left side is same, we consider right side. 2x plus 1 is equal to 3x plus 1, 1 cancel, x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, x is equal to 4 are the limits. So we required area from 0 to pi by 4, 0 to 4, 0 to 4. Subtract 2x plus 1 minus 3x plus 1 dx. 2x plus 1 minus 3x plus 1. So this is a 2x minus 3x is minus x. Minus x का integration minus x square by 2 from 0 to 4. This plus 1, this minus 1 cancel. 3x minus 2x, 2x minus 3x to be same. So minus not considerable. 4 square is 16, 16 by 2 is 8. 8 minus 0, 8 is the answer. It's very simple process to find the area bounded between two lines. Two lines are what? 2x plus 1 and 3x plus 1. So answer is what? 8 square units per 8 square units. So answer is what? 34 का आंसर कितना है? B है. Okay, it's very simple. 33 and 34. In 33 trigonometric function, in 34 both are straight lines. Okay, so here left hand side equal है तो right hand side भी definitely equal होंगी. From that we find the values of x. X is equal to 0, x is equal to 4 is given. Okay, so f of x minus g of x or g of x minus f of x are to be same, right in the modulus. But in MSTCD, no need to this lengthy process. Find out the answer only and make it positive. Okay, next. Let's start the MCQ number 35. The area bounded by the curve y is equal to cos square x and 0 to pi by 2. MCQ number 35. The curve is y is equal to cos square x. X is less than or equal to pi by 2, greater than or equal to 0. So integration means that is area, required area from 0 to pi by 2. Cos square x is not integrable. 1 plus cos 2x by 2. This is a multiple angle formula. These two outside the integration. Integration of 1 is x. Cos 2x is sin 2x by 2 from 0 to pi by 2. Put here pi by 2 first, upper limit. Sin pi 0, 0, 0. So answer is pi by 4. Required area which is pi by 4 in square units. So this is answer. 35 का answer क्या है? C है. Okay. So we have to find the curve y is equal to cos square x. So left hand side is y. So direct cos square x. But cos square x is not integrable. Convert into formula 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Only 2 taking outside. 1 का integration x cos 2x का sin 2x by 2. Limits are given. It's absolutely very simple question. Okay. Now 36. In MCQ number 36. he has given parabola y square is equal to kx, y is equal to root k into root x. So and the ordinate x is equal to c is the above x axis. He has given x is equal to c. So this is the parabola, vertex at the origin, so lower limit is 0, x is equal to c is this line, and we have to find the area in only first quadrant above the x axis. So हमें यहाँ पर twice नहीं करना है because he clearly mentioned find the area above the x axis, सिर्फ first quadrant का area find करना है. So it's very clear a is equal to 0 to c. Why it is 0? Because this is the standard parabola whose vertex at the origin. So root k into root x dx. Root k as it is, integration of root x is x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 from 0 to c. So 2 root k by 3 c raised to 3 by 2 c root c minus 0. So this is answer 2c root kc divided by 3. This is area in square units. Okay, so I hope you understand the both solution. So answer of 36 is what? B. ये B option है और ये C था. ओके, सो दिस इज द कंप्लीशन ऑफ 35 एंड 36. ओके, ये पूरी MCQ इज वेरी सिंपलेस्ट लेवल और ऐसे एग्जाम्पल फाइनल एनुअल MST CET को आएंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट let's see the MCQ number 37. The area bounded by the curve y is equal to cos x. So this is a trigonometric function and y is equal to 1 plus x. So y is equal to cos x. MCQ number 37. Y is equal to cos x and y is equal to 1 plus x or x plus 1. If we put y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. So the curve of this function is very clear. So this is x axis, y axis, this is pi by 2. So ये कर्व होगा cos x का. And this is the line. This is x minus 1. This is minus 1, this is 0, this is pi by 2. This is the area under the line and this is area below the cos x. So दोनों का सम करेंगे. So this is x is equal to minus 1. Got it? So area minus 1 to 0 line. Minus 1 to 0 line is what? 1 plus x. dx प्लस यहाँ पर ऐड करना पड़ेगा 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. So we know that cos x का एरिया कितना होता है? 0 to pi by 2 1 होता है. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 इज x square by 2 फ्रॉम minus 1 to 0. ये एरिया तो हमें पता है 1 होता है. cos x का इंटीग्रेशन sin x sin pi by 2 इज 1. 0 plus 0 by 2 0 minus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. सो 1 माइनस हाफ, माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करो. सो यहाँ पर मैं कैलकुलेशन करता हूँ प्लस 1 by 2 प्लस 1. सो आंसर इज 3 by 2. सो दिस इज एरिया. सो रिक्वायर्ड एरिया इज 3 by 2. सो आंसर कितना है? C. ओके, सो यहाँ पर जो कर्व है एक ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक का कर्व है, एक लाइन का कर्व है. सो लाइन कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे? y इज इक्वल टू 0 पुट करो, x की वैल्यू -1 रहेंगे. मीन्स दिस इज द स्ट्रेट लाइन विच डज नॉट पासिंग थ्रू द ओरिजिन. ओरिजिन से पास नहीं होता बिकॉज यहाँ पर क्या है? कांस्टेंट टर्म है. सो दिस इज द स्ट्रेट लाइन so which cuts the x axis at -1. So this is -1 to 0. This is the area below the line. And 0 to pi by 2, this is the area below the cos x, below the curve cos x. So दोनों को ऐड करेंगे, that will be the required area. Got it? सिंपल है. So सिर्फ ज्योमेट्रिकल इंटरप्रिटेशन राइट होना चाहिए तो ये डेफिनेटली करेक्ट आएगा. ओके, सो आफ्टर दिस, आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ 37, राइट 38. In 38, line is 2y is equal to x and एक है y is equal to 2x. So y is equal to x by 2, y is equal to 2x. ये दोनों भी लाइन पासिंग थ्रू दी ओरिजिन है, सो x इज इक्वल टू 0 ही होगा, और सेकंड x इज इक्वल टू कितना है 4 है. यहाँ पर कांस्टेंट टर्म नहीं, यहाँ पर भी कांस्टेंट टर्म नहीं, मीन्स बोथ लाइंस पासिंग थ्रू दी ओरिजिन. सो उसका एरिया फाइंड करना है. सो बहुत ही सिंपल है कि एक 0 लेंगे, दूसरा 4 लेंगे. पहला एक लेफ्ट हैंड साइड सेम हो गया, 2x माइनस एक्स बाई 2 इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम 0 to 4. दिस इज रिक्वायर्ड एरिया. Integration of 2x is 2x square by 2, x square by 2, 2 into 2 is 4, from 0 to 4. This 2 and this 2 cancel, 4 square is 16, 16 by 4 is 4. So answer is 12, 12 square unit. This is the required answer, required area, 12 square units. So answer कितना है यहाँ पर D, वो C था, ये कितना है D. हर एक एग्जाम्पल ऑब्जर्व करो, ये बहुत ही सिंपल टॉपिक है, 60 MCQ सिर्फ सफिशिएंट है, बट फॉर मोर स्टडीज यू हैव टू सॉल्व मोर 60 MCQs ऑफ दिस टॉपिक, एंड दैट विल बी too much for the topic applications of definite integration. Okay, so this is the 38. Now we'll take next. Let's see the MCQ number 39. So you read the example carefully. 39. So this is the one type of the parabola. The area bounded by the curve y is equal to x square minus 4, and the line y is equal to 12. y is equal to 12. अगर y is equal to 12 है तो x square minus 4 is equal to 12, so x square is equal to 16. x square is equal to 16. So x is equal to plus or minus 4. So ये पैराबोला ऐसा रहेगा, x square is equal to y plus 4, x square is equal to y plus 4. So ये पैराबोला, this is the line y is equal to 12. So this will be the parabola. This is minus 4 to plus 4, and this is a plus 12. This is a plus 2. So 2 to 12 निकालेंगे. It is symmetric. Twice करना पड़ेगा. y is equal to 2. So x square is equal to plus 4. 16 minus 4. This will be 2. So a plus 12. So required area. So x is equal to root y plus 4. Integration twice 2 to 12. रूट y प्लस 4 dy. हमें उसको विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y डिफरेंशिएट इंटीग्रेट करना पड़ेगा ट्वाइस, बिकॉज इट्स अ डबल. y प्लस 4 रेज टू 3 by 2 इंटू 2 by 3 फ्रॉम 2 to 12. ओके, सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 4 by 3 इन ब्रैकेट 12 plus 4 16, 16 raised to 3 by 2, 16 into root 16. So 16 4s are 64. 2 plus 4 6. It's a 2 to 12. If we put y is equal to 0, this will be x square is equal to 4x is equal to plus or minus 2. So this is plus 2, this is minus 2, this is plus 2, and this will be the minus 4. Minus 4 to 12 करना पड़ेगा. Minus 4 to 12. Minus 4 is the lower limit, plus 12 is the upper limit. So it's a 4 by 3. Minus 4 plus 4 0. It's a 0. This will be the answer in square units. Check it, the answer 256 by 3. So ये option. Okay, so this is the solution of 39. So about 40, so look at the MCQ number 40. We have to find the area of 2 cos x. y इज इक्वल टू 2 cos x, x लेस देन और इक्वल टू 2 पाई ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 0। सिर्फ cos x का इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 0 टू पाई बाय 2 cos x, सो ये एरिया होता है 1, सो 0 टू पाई बाय 2, सो पाई बाय 4 2 पाई, so its area is 4, 2 into 4, so what will be area? 8 square units। ये 2 as it is। सिर्फ cos x का एरिया 0 टू 2 पाई 4 होता है, 0 टू पाई बाई 2 1 होता है, इसको 4 टाइम्स करेंगे, 0 टू पाई बाई 2 को 4 टाइम्स करेंगे, दैट बिकम 0 टू 2 पाई, सो 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2, दैट आंसर इज व्हाट? 8। सो 8 स्क्वायर यूनिट, दिस इज द एरिया of this curve y is equal to 2 cos x from 0 to 2 pi। so 40 का आंसर कितना है? D है। okay, so this is 39 and 40। we'll take next। let's see the MCQ number 41 now। in example number 41 he has given the ellipse x square upon 25 plus y square upon 16 is equal to 1। so a is equal to 5, b is equal to 4, shortcut is what? Pi into ab, so answer is 20 pi ab, so 20 pi, this is the required area in square units। okay, so now 42, so 41 is very simple by using the shortcut, that is what? Pi ab, a is 5, b is 4, 20 pi square unit, that is the answer of 41। now both parabola, 42 is also shortcut, y square is equal to 8x and x square is equal to 8y, so 4a is equal to 8, a is equal to 2, here b is equal to 2, so required area is 16ab by 3, 16 for the 64 by 3, so this is answer 64 by 3 in square units। so 16ab divided by 3, this is the required area between two parabolas, y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4by। 16ab by 3, just find out a and b, a is 2, b is 2, because 4a is equal to 8, 4b is equal to 8, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 2। okay, so this is the completion of 41 and 42। now we'll take the 43। in example number 43, parabola and latus rectum है, so what is parabola? y square is equal to 8x, so obviously a is equal to what? 2, so parabola and latus rectum का shortcut होता है 8a square by 3, so 8 into 4 by 3, so it is a 32 by 3, so this is the area in square unit। so check the option, 41 का आंसर D है, 42 का भी D है और 43 का B है। okay, so this is 41, 42 and 43। we'll take 44 and 45 last। now let's finish the last two MCQs, that is 44 and 45। in MCQ number 44, the area bounded by the curve y is equal to 4 by x square, very simple। 44, y is equal to 4 by x square and the ordinates x is equal to 1, x is equal to 3, so required area 1 to 3 4 by x square, x raised to minus 2 हो जाएंगे ऊपर जाने के बाद, x raised to minus 2 का इंटीग्रेशन x raised to minus 1 by minus 1 from 1 to 3, so this is minus 4, 1 by x from 1 to 3 minus 4, 1 by 3 minus 1, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 1, minus 2 by 3, minus 4 into minus 2 by 3, so it's 8 by 3 square unit। it's a part of calculation now। so what is answer? 8 by 3, ऑप्शन कितना है? ये D है। so कुछ ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं, सिंपल कर दिया है और ऑर्डिनेट्स भी दिए हैं, सिर्फ आपको इंटीग्रेशन निकालना है। ओके, सो लेट्स finished the MCQ number 45. Let's see the MCQ number 45. So he has given the area of the region bounded by the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. अगर y square is equal to 4ax है, so इसका फोकस होता है a, 0. So one line y is equal to x होती है. So y is equal to x, so that is required area, latest rectum 8a square by 3. So ये शॉर्टकट है 45 का भी, पैराबोला एंड लेटस रेक्टम y is equal to x. So this is 8a square by 3, that is the option number what, A. Got it? So 44 and 45 completed. Okay, so this is the enough study for today's video lecture. 15 MCQs. Our target is 15 15 15 15. हमें 4 लेक्चर लेना है, ये 45 तक हुआ है. So we'll take last 15 examples, last 15 MCQs in the next video lecture. That will be the last day of the topic applications of definite integration. Okay, so for more videos try to tune on this YouTube channel Math Mentor. Okay, so today I am going to stop here. Thank you very much.